Hello guys, and welcome back once again. Today I'm demonstrating how to make a relatively simple still life painting. First, we'll start with the sketch, which is the foundation of the painting and the most important part. The trick is to begin drawing out really big, basic shapes to get your proportions close, and then slowly work toward defining the detail. Next, we'll lay in the background. The technique I use is to paint in the local or basic color of the area, then render the darker shaded parts, and lastly add the highlights. Now we'll begin painting the object. The first step is to identify the local color of the lid, which is white. I'll paint this on only in the brightest areas to begin with, as I carefully study the object I'm painting. Next, I'll paint the shadow portions, which may blend a bit with the white in places, or can be sharp lines. Keep studying all of the small details on your object. This will inform how your painting should look. Now I'll add some fresh white for the highlights on the brightest spots. As you choose colors for the shadow areas, try to study your object and identify subtle colors to work into the mix. I've chosen to work a bit of purple into the shadow color to liven it up. This method looks much more beautiful than simply using black or dark brown, unless it truly appears that way. The same method of painting in the local color, adding shadows, and finishing with highlights applies to this cardboard as well. This method is actually used in most every part of the painting. for joining us and learning how to make a still life painting. I hope this video has helped you with the basics of still life painting and allows you to go make beautiful paintings yourself. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you know when new videos and new artwork comes out. Until then, happy painting!